Does being compatible in a relationship really important, or does it matter? Mga kings and queens, quick thoughts about compatibility. Let's go. Very, very important. Kasi it is also true that opposites do attract. Unless you're a very, very open-minded person. Si Apex lang ang kilala kong A to Z na pwedeng mag-work at umabot ng tugatog. Pero kung ganun kasalungat ang pananaw ninyong pareho at parehas kayong hindi open, no, sa perspective ng ibang tao, it's definitely not going to work. Possibly, kaya lang kayo nandyan sa sitwasyon na yan is because you are attracted to each other. But other than that, nothing else. Gets mo nga, A, Z. A yung pananaw mo, sabali nandun ka sa dulo, tas yung kausap mo ngayon, Z, nasa pinakadulo. Yun, extremes. Pwede, for example, political views. Dun pa lang sa talking stage ninyo at napag-usapan ninyo ang political views at magkasulungat kayo ng sobra, it's definitely not going to work. Pag-usapan natin ang pananaw sa buhay. For example, ikaw, gusto mo luxurious life kayo ng pangarap mo para sa sarili mo. Yung partner mo na lang, simpleng buhay lang gusto niya. Yung manirahan lang sa probinsya kasi mas peaceful, ganyan. Ikaw, mas city vibe ka, yun ang gusto mo. Yes, we can always talk about compromise, no? But meron naman palaging compromise. Let's meet in the middle. But if it's your heart's desire to be luxurious and your partner's heart's desire, no, is to live a simple life, then in the long run, it's gonna hunt you down. Mapagtatalunan nyo ulit yun. Or we can talk about career. For example, yung babae, very career woman. Gustong-gusto niya may maabot siya sa buhay. Yun yung, kumbaga yun, dun nakafocus talaga yung mindset niya. Tapos yung lalaki naman, he wants to be a father. Yun ang pinakapangarap niya para sa sarili niya. Maging asawa at maging tatay sa mga magiging anak niya. Kumbaga, para sa kanya, pinanganak siya na ang purpose niya is maging tatay at yun ang magiging best version niya. As a career woman, for example, your priority is your career. Hanggang ngayon, sabihin natin na may partner ka na talagang career woman ka. Hindi mo isusuko yung karera para magkaroon ka ng pamilya. But on the perspective of your partner, hindi niya yun maiintindihan eh. Unless, again, sabi ko nga, you're very open-minded about these things, then it's going to work. It might work. But trust me, if you're not on the same page on most of the things in life, it's gonna be very, very difficult for your relationship to work. Kaya kailangan ng sobrang pag-iintindi pag dumating sa mga ganong klaseng scenario. But again, di ba, if etong bagay na to is hirap na hirap kang tanggapin, it's always going to hunt you down in the long run. Palagi. It will always hunt you. So yes, compatibility is very, very important. The mindset, way of life, etc. So yun lang mga kings and queens. Stream my new single, Sabi Sabi, on Spotify and on all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice.